In this video, we are going to see how to send follow-up SMS to your leads. So let's say that you have an insurance company and every time a person visits your website or fill in the details, so you have got these leads and now you want to send them follow-up SMS. Now how can you do that? For this, you will have to integrate the two applications, Facebook lead ads. Let's say that you are receiving leads through Facebook lead ads and then you are using Twilio to send SMS. So you will have to integrate these two applications so that the process can be automated. And here you are using Pabbly Connect software to do the same. Your trigger application would be Facebook lead ads and your action application would be Twilio. Now how can you do this yourself, integrate and automate this entire process? To understand that, let me take you to my screen. So to begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. Now here on the right hand side, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you already have an account with us, simply sign in, and if you are a new user, then click on this tab. It won't take more than 2 minutes, sign up, and also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. Now let's click on sign in as I already have an account. And here we have reached the all applications page. Let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Here we have reached the dashboard of this application. Let's click on create workflow, this tab, and a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name this workflow. Now here my objective is that I have got this insurance company and I want to send follow-up SMS to all my newly generated leads. So I'm going to name it as Facebook lead ads to Twilio. So I'm naming it like this. Why? Because as I receive the new leads through Facebook lead ads, then I'm going to send them SMS through Twilio. Let's click on create. And as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. So trigger and actions. So triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, action is do this. So here my trigger application would be Facebook lead ads. Let's click on this. And now the trigger event. What is this trigger event? Trigger event is the event that will make this workflow start. Also, if you can see here, this is saying that this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. Basically, this means that this application has a polling time of 10 minutes. So your workflow, when it runs, it will run after every 10 minutes to fetch for new data. Now I'm going to click on this and click on new lead. So this triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead generation form associated to your Facebook page. So let's click on this, click on connect. And now Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the Facebook lead ads account. Let's click on add new connection, connect with Facebook lead ads. I have already logged into my Facebook account. So here we can see that the authorization has been successful. Now once done, here you can see that it is asking us to name the page and the lead generation form. So now to understand this, I'm going to take you to my Facebook page. This is my Facebook page and here you can see pages. Let's click on this. So I've already created a lot of pages. You can create your own page by clicking on this tab. Now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I'm going to look for insurance portal. So this is a page that I've already created, and since it had only one generation form, so it has already been captured by the system. So as I click on save and send test request, it is asking me to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now to do this test submission, I'm going to click on this hyperlink, Facebook lead ads testing tool. Let's click on this. And here we can see that we have to use this tool to test if our API integration is a success. We have to create a test lead to confirm that our integration is set up to receive data correctly. Now here I'm going to look for insurance portal. Let's click on this. And now since there was only one form, so it has already been captured. And now we are going to click on preview form. So now it is asking us to fill the form. So let's fill in the details. The name is demo user. Now the phone number here is, and then the email address is demo@pabblytudes.com. Let's click on next and submit. As we do that, let me take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here we have received the information. This is our API response, the full name, phone number, email address, created time, ID, etc. So now what do we want? We want that with this information, we should be able to send a message, an SMS to my client. So I'm going to choose my next application as Twilio. Let's click on this. And the action event here would be to send SMS message. Let's click on connect. And now here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the Twilio account. Let's click on add new connection. And here to set up this connection, we need account SID authorization token. How can we receive this? For this, we'll have to go to our Twilio account. This is the dashboard. As I scroll down, this is the account SID. Let's copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect, paste it over here and here. And then we need the authorization token. So this is it. Copy, go back and paste it over here. Let's click on save. So once done, here we have to type the body of the SMS. So I'm going to write dear, and now I'm going to map the data. What is mapping? So if I click on this, here you can see the information that I have received in the previous step. So mapping means that I have already received some data in my previous step and I'm just going to retrieve it here. Why do we map? Because every time you will receive a new generation form, so the details would be different. So though the message has to be the same, but the name of the person would be different, maybe the name of the website is different. So you should be able to get the new details. So now I'm going to click on this and now I'm going to put a comma and I'm going to write a message over here. So this is the message. Thanks for visiting our website. XYZ Insurance is a leading life insurance company in India that offers a range of life insurance plans and policies to ensure lifetime protection for you. Sign up today to receive the best policies to secure your future and relax your present. Click here to sign up for free. Regards, Team XYZ Insurance. Now once done, here it is asking us for the sender's number. So what we are going to do, we are going to go back to Twilio. This is the sender's number. Let's copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect, paste it over here. And finally, we have to map the recipient's number. So I'm going to click on this, go to Facebook lead ads. This is the phone number. So we have to provide the phone number with the country code and plus sign. So this is exactly in the same format. Let's click on save and send test request. Here you can see that we have received the API response. And this basically means that this integration process is a success because here is the screenshot of the same. So we have received this message and now we are going to check it in real time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to the ads testing tool, cancel this, and I'm going to fill in another form. So before you fill in another form, remember to delete the previous details. So once deleted, just remember that you have to refresh the page. So once done, now we are again going to select insurance portal. Yeah, here it is. And then we are going to click on preview form. Now here I'm going to fill in the details. So it is test user 12. The mobile number is, and the email address here is testuser12@pabblytuts.com. Let's click on next. Click on submit. Now as soon as we have submitted this form, what should happen? Automatically an SMS should be received by my client, and here you can see is a screenshot of the same, which basically means that this entire integration process is a success. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect to understand the entire process. So this is an extremely easy two-step integration process where our trigger application is Facebook lead ads and the event is new lead instant, and the action application is Twilio where the event is send SMS message. I hope you are extremely clear with this. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any other suggestion or advice, you can always write to us. Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.